little dorky gas station attendant boy goes, "Hey, man, are you all right?" And I go, "Yeah, dude, how's my bike?" Hey, Johnny Cahill.
Hey, Johnny, how you doing, baby? Hey, what the fuck?
Stop domestic violence.
Hey, having fun over there?
Absolutely. And if I get tested, I have a bag of 12-year-old's piss right here. I am clean.
Real nice.
Oh, fuck you, Johnny. You don't judge me.
Whoa, calm down, man. Have another drink or something, but calm the fuck down.
Oh, hey, watch your mouth, faggot. Tell him.
Yeah? Really?
Whoa, guys, Billy, Johnny. We got a couple of fucking deadbeats outside.
What fucking deadbeat? What the fuck do they want? I'm out of rehab 3 minutes and they think they can crash my party?
Right.
Come on!
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, let's
Do
go!
what we gotta do.
Gentlemen!
Why the long faces? Might I tempt you in a swift libation, my most trusted and honored guest?
I thought we had a truce going on.
Did you? Funny thing, I wasn't aware. But let me tell you, it's a strange kind of truce that makes you think that it's okay to gate crash my party? Deadbeat motherfucker.
I'm sorry. You enjoy your little party. I take it the good times are over. No problem, old man.
Screw you, you deadbeat prick!
Yeah,
Think you can come to
screw
my
you.
party and gate crash? Come on!
Yeah, come on!
You moron.
Let's get those angels of death, Johnny.
I'm still here. These boys are going straight back to their chapter, brothers. Good night, buddy. Fuck them all. Sorry about that. That's bad craftsmanship. Come on!
You shouldn't have crashed that party! Roll this town!
Once more, into the shit!
The Angel of Death were never gonna be welcome at a Lost MC party!
Hell fucking yeah! Poor bank.
Billy was right to do what he did!
Run away, you fat racist asshole! That was a dumb move!
Fuck yeah!
Party's over, you asshole!
Johnny, man, you let those deadbeats tell their buddies the war's on?
No, I stopped them. We don't need more brothers dying over this.
Sensible Johnny K. Come meet us over on Grummer Road, brother.
Greetings.
Whew, disaster averted, brother.
Yeah!
You coming back?
I'd love to, man, but I'm seeing this hot Russian broad over on Firefly Island. Gonna drink her daddy's expensive vodka and fuck her under the pier.
Ooh, young love in the modern world.
Yeah!
That's beautiful.
Well, these deadbeats won't be screwing around with us anymore. Let the good times roll.